Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert Turabian-style footnotes in Google Docs. So first, you need to place the cursor where you want to give the citation. For example, here. And now click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the page elements and click on the footnotes. So at the bottom of the page, you will see a line and a number which is superscript. And now type your Turabian-style footnotes in this style. So put the first name and last name. For example, Michael Brown, comma, and the title of the book, The Age of Revelation. Type the year, for example, 1789 to 1855. Now select the book title and years. Click on these three dots and make it italicized. And now remove the italicize and now open the bracket and now put the city and the place of the publication. For example, Cambridge, colon, Cambridge Library. Put the publication year 2014 and the page reference where you took the information, for example 45 and dot. If you want to remove it, you need to click on the cursor where you have insert the footnote, just remove it, and here you can see that it is removed from the bottom of the page. So I hope now you understand how you can insert Turabian footnotes in Google Docs. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.